What's your average load size?
XL. I'm open. I want to slide this whole fucking washing machine outside of the washing machine, you know? Get the whole auger to just fucking... Fucked. I'm being ethical American. Washing machine stacked in here. Fucking companies. So, if you've been keeping up, we have currently an updated exhaust on the thumb stroke here. She comes on all the way back. You know, it was a suggestion by a viewer that we do something like that. Call it the bed stack, you know, because technically it's still legal. It comes out behind the cab, whatever. People didn't want like holes blown in the hood. People said I should have turned my... Anywho's, we're blabbering on. Washing machine. I wanted to do a toilet. People said that was stupid, so we're doing a washing machine. But listen to this thing real quick, stock, hold on. Obviously, I'm going to be resoldering these right after the video so I can use this washing machine to clean clothes for my family. Dude, I need to get this fucking washing machine installed ASAP. There's some metal in right there. Push that in, like underneath that. Obviously, we need to pass inspection, so I'm gonna make it safe. He's got the vanity plate too. Fuck, I need to get one of those.
Not too much, because that's not that's kind of sketch, you know. So we're gonna get the back.
This audio quality is trash.
Here. And then oh my god, oh my god.
I could be doing my laundry right out the back seat. You know, have the wife up front cooking some meals, the kids in the back doing the laundry for you while you're on the road. It's just a real good time, real efficient. I'm not sure why everyone doesn't do this. I'm probably gonna cut a hole right in the window here and put an air conditioner in there next, just because we need some kicking AC. So we could really set up like every appliance back here. We could have washing machine, toilet, sink, AC. All right, boys, so we're going for a drive. It's Friday. It's been raining, and now today is scenic. Best day of the week. We gotta go get some gas, get some Dunkin' Donuts for Gramps. Run over my own lawn here. Oh yeah, and we're hoodless, so that's good. All the old people on the street love me, whistling by them. I'm always just like, hello, hello. That guy was like, funny shit. Oh, I forgot to clean my windshield though. That's a little dirty. Yeah, we're in third right now, kind of just stuck in third. Sort out how this torque converter works. I mean, it should really go up to fourth, and then I should go down to a stop, but the stalls are just, the peak torque of a Cummins is just so much lower than the 6.4 in the terms of RPM. I forget, I think a Cummins is like 1500 RPMs or something like that, where it makes peak torque, and the 6.4 was maybe like 25? Really relatively hard to keep this thing at a steady like 35, 40. Like, it's actually a challenge. just because it's just not shifting up fast enough in that low of a speed. But then once you get past that, it's like really great. And it doesn't shift awful up there. Like, it's not like bad. It's just not perfect. Here we go. I think that's third. Got passed by an SUV. Fourth, fifth, there's fifth. Nice, we didn't hit 45 yet, that's good. Give me sick, you bitch. There it is. That's 58 miles an hour. You gotta go 0 to 60, but she gets there. Oh, that was a big bump. High speed diesel, high speed diesel. Yes, yes, yes. All right, now to Dunkin' Donuts, which I should have got first. Idiot. Idiot.